Okay guys, we got, my tractor won't go frontwards or backwards, and I believe it's the belt for the transaxle. This is a model, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see that there, but I'll put it in the description too. But yeah, so I gotta tear this battery box out, so let's get this done. Okay, I've been having trouble with the this thing going forwards and backwards, and I don't think you can see down in there too well. I need to take out that screw, that screw, that screw, and that screw, because this whole thing has to come up so that we can change this belt over here that goes up around there. This is your transaxle belt. So let me get them screws out, and of course you have to take your battery, and you're just disconnecting the battery and fishing all this stuff through the battery box and getting it out. It's real easy to get out. So let me get that out and show you what it looks like. Alright, we got it loose. Let's see what'll happen is this whole thing lifts up. You can see on the bottom it's got like a ball bearing that sits down in a hole down there. I ain't got no good lighting. So what I gotta do is just slip this belt off around this one, under that one, and then take the new one and slip it back on, and then we'll set it all back in place. Alright, hold on. Okay. Got that in now. I put this first one in first because then you got to hold back this side because this whole thing shifts. To get that on, that's fairly tight in there. Way better than the other one. The other one was you can see there getting all chewed up and was quite stretched. All right, let me get this buckled back up. We'll go from there. Okay, now all we gotta do is get this stuff undone and untangled. Maybe. Right over there. This clip is down there on that ledge. I don't know if you can see that or not. Like that. This isn't easy to do with one hand, but we need to put that up through there. Get this. Oops. All right, get this. Up. That is definitely not easy to do one-handed. Make sure that's in there where we want it. Other thing. Okay, hold on. You're gonna have to give me a second. Okay, like that. And then these are just clips. That holds the battery box in. Put your battery in. Now, this goes up here, which getting it on with one hand's gonna suck. So, okay, let me just tell you, that was a nightmare to get in there. I think if I have to do that again, I think I can tear it apart down there and work with the room that's down there. All right. The whole reason I'm doing this is because my tractor wouldn't go frontwards or backwards, and I do believe it's the belt I just replaced. So we'll find out. Okay. Okay guys, this is gonna get noisy, but I need to see if it goes frontwards and backwards. Okay, that seemed to work. Alright guys, that did the job.